Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project, which is multi-client secure and efficient DPF based keyword search for cloud storage. So before getting into the execution, first let's understand what is the project about. Consider how cloud storage solutions like Google Drive have transformed data management by offering users a scalable and also a cost-effective way to store and access files online. These platforms they allow individuals and also organizations to easily manage their documents and collaborate from anywhere, significantly enhancing productivity and convenience. However, the increasing reliance on cloud services has led to a rise in the data breaches, causing users to be cautious about the security of their sensitive information. So, to address these security concerns, many users turn to end to end encryption, a method where data is encrypted before being uploaded to the cloud. This ensures that only the encrypted files they are stored on the cloud servers, protecting user data from unauthorized access. Nonetheless, while this encryption approach improves the security, it also limits the cloud provider's ability to perform essential functions like keyword searches, which can hinder efficient data retrieval and complicate users' experience in accessing their information quickly. So, moving on, the challenges of conducting keyword searches on encrypted data is a crucial issue for cloud services. Currently, the solutions for keyword searches can be divided into two categories. One is efficient schemes that compromise security by leaking search and access patterns, and highly secure approaches that are resource intensive. While efficient methods improve the performance, they do so that risk of exposing sensitive information making them less secure. In contrast, secure techniques such as homomorphic encryption offers high levels of protection, but they are often impractical for real-world applications due to their significant computational costs. This situation highlights the pressing need for innovative algorithms that can achieve both the security as well as efficiency in keyword searches within cloud environments, which minimizes latency while preserving the confidentiality and integrity of the user data. So, to overcome all these issues, this project enhances the security and efficiency of keyword searches in encrypted cloud data. So, here we have utilized advanced technologies that is distributed point function, which which enables secured keyword searches while minimizing latency. And we also have incorporated garble bloom filter and cuckoo hashing to improve keyword indexing, which significantly reduces the search time and minimizes the likelihood of collisions. In terms of double encryption, here we have used AES and ECC. AES refers to Advanced Encryption Standard and ECC refers to Elliptic Curve Cryptography. This dual layered approach ensures robust protection of both the user files and the associated keyword indexes, which makes unauthorized access exceedingly difficult. Additionally, the use of Wegman authentication. So here we also have used Wegman authentication. This Wegman authentication further fortifies the system by verifying the accuracy of search results. The mechanism ensures that data integrity and prevents tampering, thereby providing users with a reliable and secure means of retrieving information from the cloud. As we have told that we have employed Kabul Bloom filter, what is that? Let's understand. It serves as a cryptographic method that compresses and indexes keywords effectively and also optimizes storage while allowing for rapid searches. This ensures that sensitive data is protected for reverse engineering attempts. Moving on to cuckoo hashing. So this cuckoo hashing, it is utilized as hashing algorithm designed to reduce collisions by enabling data to be stored in multiple locations. This feature promotes efficient and also balanced data retrieval, enhancing the overall search experience. Coming to AES, which is encryption technique, AES is Advanced Encryption Standard, which is a fast, symmetric encryption technique. It uses the same key for both the encryption and also the decryption, safeguarding the files and keyword indexes against unauthorized access. Moving on to elliptic curve cryptography, it provides a asymmetric encryption method that delivers robust security with smaller key sizes. This characteristic allows for a lightweight yet strong layer of encryption, further securing the data. And moving on to the Wegman authentication, it is employed as a hash based verification technique. This method guarantees the accuracy and integrity of search results, allowing the system to detect any tampering or malicious alterations, thereby ensuring that users can trust the reliability of retrieved information. So, moving on, as an extension, we have incorporated the caching mechanism, which stores previously searched results in an encrypted format, allowing for a quick and quicker access to frequently used keyword files. It also employs data compression techniques. So here we have also employed data compression techniques. So this data compression algorithms, it will lower the storage cost for encrypted files, enhancing cost effectiveness and efficiency. These enhancements aim to improve the overall system performance and user experiences by minimizing latency and reducing computational overhead. Consequently, this makes cloud storage more responsive and economical, addressing common challenges in data retrieval. So, this is all about the theoretical concept of the project. To implement this project, we need some basic few requirements. So, coming to backend languages used, we have used Python, JavaScript, and framework used as Django. And front-end languages used are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4, and databases MySQL. Coming to hardware requirements, we need processor of 5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, and ROM of 20 GB and above. Now let's execute the project. To execute, we need to open the code folder which contains source code files. So let's open the code folder. So this is the code folder of the project in which we have the source code files. Let's understand each of them, how will they be used in the project. So coming to this cloud search folder, in this folder we have Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project code during runtime. And in this app folder, it comprises of two subfolders. One is static and the other one is templates. And we also have some Python code files. So coming to static folder, it contains CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap files. These files, they contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. Moving on to the templates folder. In this folder, we will find all the HTML pages which are used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more representing various sections of the website. Moving on to Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application which supports project's functionality. And coming to the manage.py file, it is a command line utility that comes with the Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, and applying migrations and more. And this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created this Windows bat file. So now to execute, double click on this run server.bat file. So here if we observe manage.py file is compiled, and now Django framework will host the application at the local address which is the host and the port. It is taking time, so wait for a minute. Here Django framework has hosted the application at the local host and the port. Now copy this local link provided by the Django framework and paste it in any web browser. So I'm copying the link. I prefer Google Chrome, so I'll paste it in that. Paste the link here at the end, type index.html and click on enter. So this is the web page of the project which is displayed in the browser, and this is developed using Django framework. So here in the home page we can see two logins, I mean two links, which is user and register here. Before logging in as user, we need to register as user. So for that, click on register here link and give the username, password, and all the necessary details. So the username would be Kiran, give his password, give his contact number, give mail ID, give his address, and now click on register. So sign up process completed successfully and he can log in as a data owner. So one person will be the data owner and the other person would be the data receiver. So let us log in with the other user. I mean, let us register as the other user. So the other user would be Kumar. Give the contact number, I mean, password, then the contact number, give his mail ID, give his address, click on register. So Kumar sign up process is also completed successfully. Now both the users they can log in. So first we will log in as the user Kiran. So click on user, give the username, click on login. So we have entered invalid username. So let's try again. Now click on login. As the project was case sensitive, here we had to give the capital K. So this is the dashboard of Kiran where he can perform all these activities. So here we can see a linked data owner upload file. We need to click on that for uploading the files. So click on that. So now let's click on choose file to upload the file. So click on that. So let's upload this file. Click on open. Here we can observe that file has been loaded. Now click on upload and encrypt file. So here if you observe, file has been uploaded and it is encrypted and saved. And all the keyword indexes are generated for that document which we have uploaded. And this is the Wegman authentication code. Now let's click on keyword search to do the search using keywords. So click on keyword search. So here we need to provide the keywords to search the file where that keyword is present. So let's see what is there in the file that we have uploaded. So this is the file that we have uploaded. Let's open it. So let's copy these keywords, copy it, get back to the application, paste it here, and now click on search files. So here we got the results. For the keyword that we have searched, it is there in this particular cloud.txt file which we have uploaded in the starting. So this is the matching score. And here if we click on this click here to download button, we will be able to download the file. So click on that. So here if you observe, we have downloaded that file. And now if you click on this latency graph, so let's click on latency graph. So here we got the graph. So before that, we need to search for multiple times. Then we will get this graph, get back to the search. And here, let's give some more keywords. So we have uploaded this file. So let's search using these keywords, get back to the application, paste it here. Now click on search files. So here we got the result. So for the word that we have searched, that is in this particular file. And this is its match code. And here also, if you click on this click here to download button, we will be able to download the file. And now let's click on this latency graph. Latency is nothing but the time took for searching that particular file. So click on that. So here we got the graph. On x-axis we have on x-axis we have the technique name, and on y-axis we have search latency. So this graph represents the existing and proposed latency chart. Blue color represents the existing latency and orange color represents the proposed latency. So among both the techniques, proposed technique took less time to search the files. So now let's click on storage cost graph. So click on that. So this is the normal versus compressed storage graph. This is the extension. So here on the x-axis, we have the technique name, and on y-axis, we have storage size. So this bar represents the normal data that is uploaded, and this bar represents the compressed data that is uploaded. So when we observe this normal storage, the data which we have uploaded normally, it is taking more storage size than the compressed data. Now let's click on access cache, which is also the extension. So these are the words that were searched and these are the file names. And if we click on this click here to download button, user will be able to download the files. Now let's log out and log in as user Kumar. So give his username and now give his password. He has logged in successfully. He's not the data owner. Let's now search the keywords. So click on keyword search, open the file. So let's search using this keywords, copy it, get back to the application, paste it here, click on search files. So here we got the results. So that particular text is found in these two files that we have searched. And this is the matching score. And here we have the download file button. Now let's log out. In this way, users, they can securely upload their files, and also they can search their files using the keywords. So this is all about the project.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.